you to vacate the school premises once you collect your children. Today's photos will be uploaded on Facebook. Thank you. Come, let's find magic and happiness in all the little things in life. With this note, I, Sujaya, KG2 coordinator, take immense pleasure in welcoming each one of you present here today. I also take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for taking your precious time to be part of this grand event. I hope you all will enjoy the performances that will be put up by our children. Now, without much delay, I request little Jitush and Vinisha to take over and start the program. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Jitush and Vinisha, take immense pleasure in welcoming each one of you present here today.
Annual day for this year.
Anand Utsav, what does that mean?
Anand means happiness and Utsav means celebration. We in Global Toddlers are going to show what happiness is and how it comes in different form and has different meaning for different people.
Wow, that sounds interesting. But every occasion should start with the lighting of the lamp and invocation song, seeking the blessings of the Almighty. So, I request all the dignitaries to come forward and light the auspicious lamp. I also request my friends to come forward for the invocation song.
Shubham Gurutvam Kalyanam Aro
निकाल देना.
Thank you.
Now I request my friend Aryan to officially welcome the gathering. Thank you. Anand and happiness start with you. Anand or happiness start with you, not with relationship, not with a good job, not with money, not with circumstance, but with you. So do not be happy for a specific reason, because happiness ends and reason ends. Try to be happy without reason and you will be happy in every season. With this note, I, Arihant, take pleasure in welcoming our chairman, Dr. Punjajendra Rao sir, a secretary, Srinivas sir, a CEO, Nandini ma'am, our academic director, Sharda ma'am, our headmistress, Vibhudatta ma'am, our dear parents and teachers. Now I request Sharda ma'am to welcome Nandini ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Vibhudatta ma'am to welcome Sharda ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Priya ma'am to welcome Vibhudatta ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, a hearty welcome to each one of you present here today. Thank you.
निकाल देना.
Thank you, Arihan. My name is Bhuvi.
My name is Siddharth.
Now it's time to know how and what we have been doing in Global Toddlers with the annual report of 2018 and 19. I request our HM Bibu ma'am to present the annual report.
A very good afternoon to all the dear parents and grandparents present here today. On behalf of all the teachers and students in Global Toddlers, I, Mrs. Vibhudatta, welcome all of you on this occasion of our annual gathering, Anand Utsav. We started this academic year in the month of June with the blessings of our dear Chairman Sir, Dr. Purnachandra Rao, best wishes of our Secretary, Mr. Srinivas, with constant guidance from our COO, Ms. Nandini, inspiration and reinforcement from our academic director, Mrs. Sharda Chandrasekharan, support of our admin head, Mr. Sai Manohar, and most importantly, with the faith and belief of you all, our dear parents. We started this year with a promise to ourselves that each and every child of GT will come happily to school and will be reluctant to go back home. And I proudly believe that we have accomplished it. To make school more interesting and fun, our teachers had lined up several activities, competitions and celebrations for the children of GT. Every month witnessed at least one activity, one competition, and in some cases, one celebration for the children to be a part of. Here is a glimpse of the things we have done this academic year. Aristotle has said, for the things we have to learn before we can do, we learn by doing it. Every month, your child participated in an activity which helped to make the learning process fun and interesting. These activities were planned based on the concepts taught for that particular month. Every month, there was an age-appropriate competition organized by GT, and every single child participated in the competitions. At the end of the year, every child will walk out with a certificate showing what he or she is good at. Children should know the significance of important festivals and have a fun in school. To reinforce that, we ensured that most of the festivals were celebrated in school. These celebrations also ensured that every child got an opportunity to be a part of the celebration by performing on stage in a group. Viva Vivacious Inter-School Football Tournament 2018-19 made us all proud, as Global Toddlers won the trophy in the boys and the girls football match. GT even won the runners-up in the cheerleading competition. For the Educational Expo 2018-19, Odyssey, A Small World, Little Hands and Feet guided you around selective countries of the 7 continents and amazed you by sharing interesting facts about these countries. The indoor and outdoor club activities have been going on regularly, and the kids thoroughly enjoy and look forward to these sessions. To make learning fun and to help the children to spend more time with each other outside the 4 walls of the class, field trips were organized. The first field trip was to the fire station, where the kids loved the display done by the firefighters. For the second field trip, the kids of nursery and playgroup had a pajama movie day in the school, whereas KG2 and KG1 went to watch a movie accompanied by their teachers. Sports teach you character. It teaches you how to play by rules. It teaches you how to win and lose. GT conducted the annual sports activity where all the children participated, and based on their performance, students will be receiving medals and certificates. We introduced some new practices this year. Word of the week taught at different levels has helped to increase the vocabulary of our little ones. Reading books at KG2 and KG1 level created by the teachers has helped to improve the reading skills. To reinforce good table manners, we started the idea of table mat. Made by the children for their own use in class, this has been a great success. The KG2 started working full day from 2nd Jan 2019, and it has been a great success too. The kids are happy and did not take much time to settle into the new timings. The most important thing for every parent is the safety and security of their little ones. In Global Toddlers, we took several steps to ensure 100% safety and security for the kids. Once children cross the school gate, we made sure they are accompanied by our teachers and matrons everywhere. No child is left unattended at any point of time. Children are taught to walk to the left to reinforce safe movement of children around the school. Parent-Teacher Association, Child Protection Council and Prevention of Sexual Harassment Committee have been formulated, and 170 cameras are installed and are closely monitored. Henry Adams has said, a teacher affects eternity. She can never tell where her influence stops. My annual report is incomplete without acknowledging the tireless hard work and dedication all my GT teachers have taken to bring a smile in your little ones' faces, and have created a very strong foundation for the kids as they move on to the next class in KG1 in WGS. As your kids are moving out of KG2, I would like to call upon all my nursery teachers to please come on stage. Thank you, teachers. Now I request all my KG1 teachers to please come up on the stage. Thank you, teachers. Now I call upon my most dedicated and hard-working coordinators, Mrs. Sujaya Acharya and Ms. Priya Singh. Thank you, teachers. We had an excellent year filled with excitement and celebration, and look forward to many more years ahead in Global Toddlers. But before I ask the children to take over and the presentation begin, we have 100% attendance. Aditya Vardhan Ravipudi, who secured 100% attendance when he was in KG1, Daisy section. I request Sharda ma'am to please come and do the honors. I request parents of Aditya to please come up on the stage. If Aditya parents are here, please come up on the stage. Now I request the children, Siddharth and Bhuvi, to take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, dear parents, sit back, relax and get ready to witness our annual day Anand Utsav, where you will get to know the Malhotra family, where the father is Amar, mother is Simran, and they have a boy named Surya and a girl named Sia. So enjoy the show. Hi, you came early today. Yes. Are the kids back from the school? No, but they will be reaching in few minutes. Leave the door open. Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. What is Anand, Mama? In our school annual day, the topic is Anand. My teacher told me Anand means happiness, but still I cannot understand properly. Sia, Anand literally means happiness. What makes us happy? When do we feel happy? And how do we feel happy is Anand. Yes, Anand or happiness comes in different forms to different people. What do you mean by that, Papa? Wait, Suraj, you'll understand it slowly. Eating an ice cream makes you happy. Going for a movie makes your mama happy. No, that's not true, Amar. Papa, Mama is not only happy when she goes for a movie, but she feels happy for a lot of other things too. Mama, what's the most important thing that made you happy? Wow, what a question. But yes, I remember one such precious moment in my life which made me happy and also led to
lot of other things that added on to my happiness.
What is that, Mama?
15 years back, I got married to your father, and it was really a day filled with happiness. I can still remember how happy everyone was. There was so much joy and rejoice everywhere.
Yes, I was thinking of the same. It was such beautiful memory. Papa, can you recall any other moment that made you happy? Surat school days a lot of fun. And my graduation day, it was most happiest day of all.
Papa, thinking about what you both said, for me, festivals are a lot of fun, and festivals make me very happy. Remember when we went to Kolkata for the Shira? It was so amazing. Simran, you look so gorgeous.
Oh wow, look at her ghagra. It's so pretty. How are you feeling, Simran?
Don't be nervous, just enjoy.
Be careful, okay? school life will get over. So many reading and writing. But we have to study for exams like Amar. Yes, I know. Amar is a very studious child. But for today only, let's dance, stand, chill. Oh, wow! This was my class. I cannot believe we all passed our exam and today's our graduation day. Hey Amma, after a long time we are seeing you. You got good marks, right? Yes, my friend. I am happy, but I am sad also. Oh, why? Because our school life is over. Now we are going for higher study. But surely we will be in touch. Come, let's have some fun. Yes, Sia. Kolkata is very famous for rasgulla. Mommy, can you tell me where we are going all dressed up like this? We are going to the Garba night at the Kolkata club where we can dance and have lots of fun. And hey, blessings of Durga Ma. Come, let's hurry up. Yay!
Let's go for the Kolkata club for the Garba night, otherwise we'll be late.
understand what Anand means. See, I also feel very happy when we are traveling and it is vacation time. No school, no studies, and we get to see new places and we eat new types of food. Wow, I'm so excited coming to Rajasthan. Look at the beautiful Rajasthani dress. dance. Now you all can go and take a rest now. We have arranged delicious Rajasthani lunch for you all. Today evening we will see Rajasthani Katputli dance. What is Katputli dance? It is Rajasthani famous puppet dance. Oh wow! Mama, I want to see Katputli dance. Now come let amazing show, was it not? Yes, Bhuvi, it was indeed an amazing show. Did you see how happiness or Anand comes to people in different forms? Only money, big house, big car, eating in fancy restaurants does not give happiness. Happiness also comes in being together with the people who mean a lot to us. You are right. Real happiness is being part of a family and sharing and caring for each other. Dear all, hope you enjoyed the show. Do give a huge round of applause for all my dear friends and teachers. Thank you. Now I request our academic directors, Sharda ma'am, to address the audience.
Respected grandparents, darling parents, teachers and children, a very warm good evening to all of you. Indeed, it has become warm, but the children have given us such a cool breeze of performance. We have forgotten the warmth. They have made us attend a wedding. They took us to a graduation day. I do not know when was the last time you have seen Rajasthan. It's such a close place, and you have seen the puppet dance, and you have enjoyed the Rajasthan cuisine also. Can we give them a big round of applause? Thank you. This could not have happened without the real effort put in by Bibu and her team, the entire toddler teacher team. Can we give them a big round of applause? Bibu, you and your team have done a marvelous job. Darlings, this is the fourth show of the day. From morning 9, we have been giving show after show, and Bibu and her team, that is GTHM and the entire team of teachers, have put in such an excellent effort that today went like a jiffy, and they have put in the whole effort. They really deserve this applause. You have done a fantabulous job, and I'm extremely, extremely proud of you and your team. Sharda coming here not telling a story doesn't make any sense. I have to tell a story. It seems there were two villages, and these two villages were always competing for one basketball trophy. Whoever won the trophy, they always looked at that trophy as the winning over other politically, socially, in all aspects. It was almost like India-Pakistan kind of a team for cricket. This was for the basketball. Always team B was losing. Team A was winning. That is, one village was winning, the other village was losing. So this time the losing village has decided they'll put in their life there. They brought in the best coach whom they thought best. And they told, whatever you do, we have to win. There is no other go. This cup, we are giving you 1 year time. We need to win. What you do, we do not know. So this coach said, I'll do everything, but you should not ask me questions. They said, okay, we are giving you autonomy. He went ahead. He did not tell anyone what is he doing. Complete secrecy was there. 1 year went on. The day of event came. And when both the team came to the ground, Team B was full of short players except some 3 tall players. Whereas Team A has very muscular, tall, hefty men and agile men. And Team B was looking too puny, too small except some 3 people. Village B was upset. They started shouting, hurling abuses at the coach. You have decided, you have been bought in by them. Match fixing. The coach did not respond. Match began. Everyone thought Team A will win. And these short, small, little built people, what they did, the moment match began, they started running between the legs of these players. And they used to pick up the ball and pass it on to the tall people. And tall people will put it in the basket. Before Team A actually understood what happened, Team B started winning. And of course, they won. Why am I telling this is that normally we underestimate by looking at someone. We always give looks a lot of importance. We think that only so-and-so can do so-and-so thing. But each one of us are gifted by God. We are given some gift, some innate gift. Each child is given one gift. And it is in us to actually look into it and nurture that so that that child becomes one of the performers. Each one of us have a day to celebrate. Now your children will be stepping into first standard in a couple of months. And they'll be getting into formal education. The comparisons will begin and everything will come. And this is the time you and me need to stand strong to tell them, you are as gifted as the other child. You have your own talents. You have your own strengths. Nurture those strengths and you will become the best. Do not compare yourself with anybody. Each one of us have our own day of celebration and our own day of glory. Unless until we tell the child that, the child will start losing self-confidence. So darlings, let's join hands to make them happy, to make them confident, to make them start this very, very formal life in a couple of months, and to make them live a very happy life. And if they live happily, we will live happily. You will live happily. If you are happy, then we will be happy. Let us all actually look for that happy world. And I'm blessing you all to have a very, very happy life. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, ma'am. Parents, I hope you all have enjoyed the amazing performances put up by our little kids. Now it's time for some more performances, but not from kids, but from the parents. Yes, it's time for the final round of family activity, where we will get to see some lovely moves from some parents along with their kids. These parents will be performing today are the winners of family sports activity held on 25th Jan. These parents showcase their sporting skills on the family sports activity day. Today they will showcase their singing or dancing skills along with their kids. So I request the parents to come near the stage as I call out their names. Parent of Arshita from KG2 Lily. Please come near the stage, sir. Parent of Kshama from KG2 Lotus. Parent of Akshaya from KG2 Lotus. And parent of Sanskriti from KG2 Lotus again. Parents, please note that the time duration for your performance will be 1.5 minutes, after which the music will be stopped. This performance will be judged by our respectable grandparents who will be judging on various parameters like coordination, rhythm, expression, and presentation. We have with us grandparents of Aradhya here. Dr. Gopal Prasad, Aradhya's grandparent. And we have Shanaya's grandmother and grandfather, Rameshwar Prasad Gupta and Shanti Prasad Gupta. Thank you for joining us. So let's start the event. I hope the parents are ready. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So first performance will be given by Arshita with her father. Can we have the music, please? Amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Varshita. Now the second performance will be given by Kshama and her parent. Kshama with her mother, yeah. Can we have the music, please? Thank you. Two beautiful ladkis showing some amazing moves. So the next performance will be given by Akshaya with her father. Can we have the music, please? Amazing performance. Thank you, sir. Can we please give a huge round of applause for them? Really. The next performance will be from Sanskriti with her mother. Amazing. It really takes a lot of courage, practice, and sportiveness to perform before such a huge crowd. Now, while the judges are doing their tough job of deciding, we request if any parents want to join the floor for some fun, we request the participating parents also to please come here. The floor is open. You can come. Parents, please, you will not get this chance again. You can come. The floor is yours. We'll play some music and have some fun.
Come on, parents, please join us. Please, from morning we have been here. Give us the last performance at least to remember. Come on, parents, please, come on.
Yeah, I can see one parent coming. Please join. Some more can join. Come, you will not get this opportunity every time. I request Nandini ma'am and the judges of the event to please join us to give away the prizes. All the parents are really the winners because they got this unique opportunity to perform with their child here and they relived their childhood. Yeah, and the winners are Kshama with her mother, amazing performance. And Sanskriti and her mother. Congratulations, both of you. We will also appreciate the effort put by the other two parents, Ashita and her father. And Akshaya and her father. Thank you, sir, for being so sportive. You really put up an entertaining performance. It was really very entertaining. Thank you, parents. Once again, I thank all the judges. Now I request Ayansh Chandola to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of everyone in GT, I, Ayansh Chandola, take this opportunity to thank each one of you present here today. I thank all the dear parents, our HM Bibu ma'am, our loving and encouraging teachers, and all my dear friends who has put a lot of effort to make this event grand success. Such a mega event would not have been possible without the help and support from the admin and support staffs. Hence, I sincerely thank each one of them. Now I request you all to rise for the national anthem.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे